this video, I'm going to show you how to use Filmora Cloud to edit your video on desktop, mobile, tablet, even on Mac seamlessly. First open Filmora app, then choose the project from draft and click on three dots. Then select upload and it will upload your project on a Filmora Cloud, which is free to use. Then select cloud and you will see your project on cloud. Then jump into Filmora desktop. Make sure you have logged in on both devices with same ID to use Filmora Cloud. On start interface, you will get an option of Filmora Cloud. Click on it and under project, you will get your mobile uploaded project. Select your project, right click on it and select download. Here you can choose the download location for your project or you can keep it default. Click on download. Then click on cloud icon, which is on right upper corner, and in download section you can see your project download progress. Once it is done, close this window and click on create project and you will find your project here. Double click on it and it will ask you for a location to extract the project. Either you can change the location or keep it default. Press OK and Filmora will extract your project and open it in Filmora desktop. Now you can add effects of your choice. You can add stickers, text, or even you can replace the audio. Filmora Cloud allows user to work on any device without worrying about anything. Download Filmora now and use Filmora Cloud to edit your video anytime and anywhere.